welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the solar plexus chakra. We are continuing with the chakra series, so if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on your post notifications, give the video a thumbs up, okay? Join the fam and let's go ahead and hop right into today's video. Okay, you guys, so if you have been keeping up with the chakra series, we are now on chakra number 3, okay? So we are moving up. We did the root, we did the sacral, and now we're on the solar plexus, okay? So y'all can tell the theme. I've been trying to wear the color that corresponds to the color of the chakra that we're talking about. So the color of the solar plexus is yellow, okay? And yellow is such a happy, like bright, fun color. I feel like it just gives good vibes in general, and that's really what the solar plexus is. The solar plexus is all about confidence. It's all about confidence, okay? Self-belief, setting boundaries, self-love. The location of it is right here, girl. Right here, right above your belly button is where the solar plexus is. I always like to give you guys some physical signs or symptoms that you might be experiencing that would indicate if you have a really off-balance solar plexus, right? So specifically, you might experience lack of self-love, low self-esteem, just low self-belief and low confidence in general. You might have trouble setting boundaries, people pleaser tendencies. You might also experience weight gain in this specific area. And this area is also related to your gut, right? And gut health. And if you have poor gut health, you might have skin issues. You might get a lot of pimples. You might have a lot of acne on your skin, you know, just in general. If you experience things in your childhood like not being able to set boundaries, right? Always thinking about what someone else is thinking of you, trying to force yourself to fit in, right? Having someone tell you to do something or ask you to do something and you can't figure out how to say no, right? That's lack of boundaries and that's people pleasing. And really just unhealthy relationships with others in general. If you want to start working on healing your solar plexus, start setting boundaries, okay? When people ask you to do things that you don't really want to do, say no. Okay, say no. Start working on those people pleaser tendencies. Start building your confidence. Start caring more about what you think about yourself than what others think about you. You can also start doing affirmations as well, especially in the mirror. Mirror work is really, really great for healing the solar plexus because you're literally looking at yourself, right? You're looking at yourself in the mirror and you're saying all these positive things to yourself, and it may feel uncomfortable at first because you likely don't believe it, right? If you have low self-esteem and low confidence, then saying really nice things to yourself is probably gonna feel uncomfortable, but it's a great, great thing to do and can really, really help you to align this chakra. You can also do things like getting crystals. If you're a crystal girl, pick up some citrine, pick up some pyrite. Those are both really good crystals for the solar plexus. You can also start wearing the color yellow. You can start eating yellow foods and also doing some shadow work on the solar plexus in general. You can literally type into Google solar plexus journal prompts and a bunch will come up and you can start answering those. When you look at journal prompts, it really helps to trigger things that have happened in your past to help to bring that to the surface so that you can heal from it. Because if you are currently a people pleaser, you currently have problems setting boundaries, you currently have low self-esteem, there are probably things that took place in your childhood that got you to this point where you are today. So you want to identify those things because once you identify it, you recognize it, you understand this is a repeating pattern, you can now break the cycle. And once you break the cycle, boom, right? Now you're able to move forward in your life from a much more positive, more happy, more confident space. I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say about the solar plexus. I kind of just wanted to give you some information about the physical symptoms that you might be experiencing, as well as a few ways to go about healing. Your chakras are, you know, a work in progress. It takes time. You're not going to be able to just balance them all out, you know, with 1 week of inner work. Like, it's a constant process. But if you want to figure out which ones are more off balance for you than others, take a chakra quiz. I will link it in the description box down below. Super easy. You just go to the website, you answer these questions, probably about like 50 questions. Don't think too much about it, just answer the question and move on. And it's gonna give you a basically like graph at the end that will let you know, you're 30% open here, you're negative 55% for this chakra, and it'll just give you like an idea of which one needs the most work, even though you want to work from the bottom up. So if this is the first video that you're seeing, definitely subscribe to the channel and definitely go back and watch the previous chakra videos and stick around for the ones after this as well. You want to work from the root to the crown, okay? You want to move from the bottom to the top when you're doing your healing work. So yes, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, girl, be sure to leave it in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.